So hi everyone, this is for anyone that may be wondering how long can you keep the dry rice formula. Well, when I first started selling the Miracle Growth Water more than a year ago, 2 weeks after I started selling it, I put some of the rice in this container right here, and I randomly show this container in a lot of my videos. Well, anyway, guys, March made a year, and we're now in June, and it's still good. It's still fresh. I don't even have the food preservation oxygen absorber thing in there or anything, but just because of the fact that I have it sealed and it's staying away from moisture, the rice has lasted. So for any of you guys that are wanting to purchase the dry rice formula, you're wanting to keep it for a long time, it does last, guys. It lasts. So there you have it. Yeah. All right. Bye.